Today it's Thursday, January 16, 2025. Let's make one small update for the G63 engine in place. Alright. They fixed it, the guys that put it together yesterday night. And they make also the first start. I'm gonna put the first start at the end of this video. They sent me the video, the link. Alright, the car is locked. We need to find the key. Right? Yeah, alright. Take a look where they put the key. Hey, amazing. Whoa. A little bit more, gonna fall down. Alright, let's start it and hit it. Lovely. This is for the diverted valve, and this is for the map sensor that has the airbox. Because these two are not being plugged, that's why you see the second. Alright, I'm gonna wait for the guys to close everything to make another video. When they close everything, to put it on the video and finalize it. That's it for now. I was willing to check from where I can hear this sound, and I found out what? That's what I found out. They didn't connect the vacuum. 1 second, let me put it together. Alright, it sounds better now. That's been connected. Let's turn off also the air condition. I don't know if they charge it. Now that's much better. You don't hear the sound from the vacuum pump. You don't hear the sound from the blower. Now you hear only the engine. Nice and steady. We're looking good. Beautiful as expected. Alright, and obviously it's not smoking. Obviously I'm not leaving oil in the cylinders. It's just a light film on the walls, just for the first start. Keep the key where it was to find the guys. Alright, so when they finish and they close everything and we make the adaptations, sorry, we clear the adaptations, we make the teaching for the camshafts, we charge the air conditioner. I don't know if they charged or not. Bleeding, it's supposed to bleed it, and has also this plug here up to bleed the intercooler for the heat exchanger for the intercoolers. Alright, I'm gonna make one last video when everything's done to finalize it. And like I said, don't forget to put at the end of this video the first start from yesterday night. Yeah, that's the plan. Alright, thank you. Here we see Mr. Derek. Thank you very much, Mr. Derek, that he finalized here with the guys. The light is not working?
It just went off there.
No battery?
Yeah.
Oh boy. Okay, so let me see. Let's see from here. That's how this looks like, the engine. You check from down everything?
No, I've needed to see if there's any leak.
I already started in the morning, but now, okay, we're not starting it now. Why? Because they want to change the transmission oil. Transmission oil and filter, differential oil from the back because it has 110,000 kilometers. The caps for the air condition?
Is it? I still need to.
You need to charge it. Okay, fair enough. And here for the wiper blades? It's here. You need to fill it up?
Yeah, I put, but it's not enough. I have to fill it again.
Okay, fair enough. So there's no point to close it. You're okay. Under control everything?
Yeah.
We can finalize, we can finish the video here?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Part of the transmission oil.
Okay, transmission oil, differential oil, like we said, at the end, washing the car, in and out, and releasing to the customer. Mr. Omar, maybe he's gonna make one test drive. All right. I see also the wheel arch line, it's missing.
Yes.
All right. Okay.
Both sides.
Both sides. Okay, fair enough. That's it. Let's close the video. Let's wrap up. After this clip, I'm gonna put the first start from since yesterday night. Yeah, that's the plan. I hope that I'm gonna remember it. I'm gonna do it now. I'm gonna do it down. Yeah, I'm gonna do it now to don't forget it. Because definitely, if I leave it for later, I will gonna forget it. It's not my priority. Thank you very much, Mr. Derek.
Today is Wednesday, 15th of January. Derek, start the car, please. Start. Stop. Press stop.